How to delete a Life360 account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can delete a Life360 account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, deleting a Life360 account is actually quite very simple, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Life360 app and make sure that you're signed into the account. Right, once you're signed into the account, tap the gear icon from the top left, then go to the option under universal settings that says account. Once you go to account, you'll find another option there that says delete account. So to delete our Life360 account, all we have to do is just tap on the delete account option. Then once you've done that, tap on yes, I confirm the above, then tap on continue button, and then you will be able to delete your account. This way you will be able to delete your Life360 account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.